Hi, good morning. This is Vin. Welcome to NCR Rizal Properties. Sinabayan pa ng paputok. Okay, pasok muna tayo sa loob. Hadaan truck. Ayan, ngay. Okay, so this is a modern duplex dito sa Antipolo. So we have here your one carport vehicle. Ayan. Tapos pagpasok natin, ito yung ating living area. So mapapansin nyo, dito yung living area, tapat nito. So tapat nun is yung ating dining area. Okay? So pareha siyang naka-cove ceiling. Okay? So ito yung space niya. Right? Ito yung garage. Okay? Kahit SUV, kasya. Pero talagang good for one car lang siya. Right? Pasok tayo. Then, this is your kitchen area. Ito yung ating common toilet and bath. We have here your maid's room. Pero, actually, pwede rin to for adult. Yung, kung may kasama kayong senior po, yan, mga senior citizen, pwede naman po eh. Yan. Kasi, kung ikukumpara ko sa iba, mas malaki yan, yung maid's quarter niya, or itong bedroom sa ground floor. So, we have here your dirty kitchen. Okay? So, ito yung primary kitchen natin, ha? Right, ito yung space for living and dining area. Okay. Then, akit tayo sa ating second floor. We have here yung 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath. So, as usual, yung isang toilet and bath is nasa loob ng master's bedroom. So, mayroon na rin kayo dito ng chandelier. Then, ito yung first bedroom. Ayan. So, yan yung space. Ayan. So, maganda yung space for your 2 bedrooms. Ibig sabihin, maganda yung cut ng lupa nito 60 square meter lot area. Okay? So, ito yung common toilet and bath para dyan sa 2 bedrooms na pinasok ko. Okay? Then, ito yung ating master bedroom. Cove ceiling. Merong balcony doon. Mamaya punta tayo. Yan. Ito yung space. Ito yung kanyang sariling toilet and bath. Punta ako dito para makita yung space ng master bedroom. Yan. Then, ito yung kanyang balcony. Yan. Tapos, ito yung community. Ayan, ito yung tapat nyo. Right? So, again, Upper Antipolo, 60 square meter lot area. Floor area is around 106 square meter. Modern duplex. Okay? Quality to. Promise. Hindi ako papaya sa inyo. Then, yung price nito is 5.8 million. Pero, malapit na magtaas. Okay? So, mas maganda kung mag-ocular visit na tayo. Then, kung gusto niyo property, okay sa inyo, pati location, pwede nyo na i-reserve para ma-secure nyo yung price. Para hindi na kayo abutan ng pagtaas ng presyo. Okay? So, if ever, my number is 0928-485-1156 or 0907-0223-423. Available sa Viber or WhatsApp. Okay? That's all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.